Water shark.
Why are you copying?
You want to play
No
water
one
shark?
said I ran out.
That's some mango
Oh,
mustard.
that was good. Alright, I got... What the hell? I can't move that fast like I did. Alright, what do you gotta trade for these? This bag alone, because, I do duping glitches, so this bag alone is like 47k.
Yeah, I got something even better.
That's cap. Nothing's better than these eggs.
No.
No, the rest of these people are mining, but I just died and I was just bored, so I just wanted to trade.
Yeah, sure. I have these
A galaxy revolver?
and a mini revolver.
Yeah, I don't think I have that. Wait, do I? Wait, hold on, let me check. No, I don't think I have that.
Goodbye.
No, I don't. I only have shotgun. Alright, just stand wherever. I really don't care. Just stand far away from me, like... Alright, I stand here, you stand there. It doesn't really matter.
Yep.
Drop your stuff and we'll just run at each other, okay?
Yep.
Like, this doesn't even... Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Alright. Are you not gonna scam me?
No.
Do you have anything else on you? Show me.
Nope.
Well, I can just take one revolver. I want that galaxy one. I don't want the small one. I just want the galaxy one.
Alright. Yeah.
Alright, 3. Wait, hold on.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, well.
Yes! Let's go.
The
I meant to get
snail.
scammed.
I love snails.
Now I got free content.
Y no sabía, nací,